Hi everyone, how are you? Redfern here once again. So I want to talk to you today about why Onpassive is bigger than just one man. Now, before I go into this, let me give you a little bit of history and about Onpassive and how it all started. Back in July of 2018, Ashmi Farah, with the help of his family and close friends around him, launched Onpassive. This was to the founders, which we all are here now, with a vision of what he was trying to do online. And basically that is to give the 97%, the like of you and I, a fair shot at making a residual income online, a chance to be able to have a part of a legal, legitimate company that is supplying products, digital products and services to the general public. And in return, we will be earning that residual income. But best of all, that residual income is going to be legitimate money. This is clean money. This is money that has been earned by us in a legal and legitimate way. So Onpassive was born all the way back in July of 2018. Now, Ash has been working tirelessly since that day. He has been working almost to the point of 24/7 to realize this dream for us. And the reason I'm saying that Onpassive is bigger than one man is that it has started to evolve. The founders, which is the likes of you and I now, have caught his vision. Not only have we caught his vision of what he is setting out and trying to do within the internet space, but the main reason it is now bigger than one man is because of him, because of what he has taught us, because of his ethos of how we are going to be in the future. Not only is this going to affect ourselves financially, of course, because most of us have joined Onpassive because of the financial rewards we are going to get, but more importantly, he has taught us to give back. Now, because he has taught us this way of doing business online, it has started evolving on its own. So we are now on the downhill stretch of this unstoppable train. No matter what happens now, it is going to continue to build up steam because we, the foundership, have his vision. We, the foundership, have his heart of compassion to give back to the community. So we are all now one voice moving in one direction, and that direction is to bring Onpassive to fruition, to the masses. We are a digital product business that has the services that people are actively going to be using. So we are in an amazing position to be able to bring these products and services to the general public. In return, they will then purchase these products. We, as the foundership, will then be able to give back. Now, Onpassive is going to be a phenomenon when it comes to the online space, and I really hope that you, as the foundership, have caught the same vision as Ashmi Farah has, and you are working in the same way that he wants us to work for Onpassive. You know, we've all spent a lot of time and energy promoting Onpassive because we believe so much in what is happening. We believe so much in what is going to be possible. We are going to be changing not only our own lives, we are going to be changing people's lives around us, but more importantly, we'll be changing the communities and even countries around us. And this is done by collective good of all of us. We are now standing at 850 founders. This is 850,000 people that are all going to be making a difference in this world. Just imagine where we are going to be in the future. This is why Onpassive is bigger than just one man, because when it was just one voice, we are now 850,000 voices, all with the same word, and that word is humanity. I really hope that you've enjoyed watching this very short video about Onpassive. If you need any more information about Onpassive, just in the comments bio, sorry, underneath this video, there is a link, and that will give you a lot more information about what Onpassive can do for you in this online space. If you're watching this for the first time on my YouTube channel, just below here, there's a little thumb. That's the like button. Just give that a click. And also, if you've not subscribed, just click that subscribe button as well. Anyway, my name's Redfern. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll speak to you all very, very soon. Bye for now.